Hi there folks, and welcome to another Leadership Tour Diary segment. This time I'm talking about SMART objectives. Now, you've probably heard about SMART objectives before today: specific, measurable, achievable, realistic and timely. But I wanted to share with you a quick tip on how to actually construct these and use those 5 areas to make it work for you. So in fact, what I do is I break it up into the 3 sections of SMT, specific, measurable and timely, and then analyze the success of that, or variable success of that, with the A and the R, the achievable, realistic. So for instance here, I might set an objective for the day, which is to make 25 sales calls by close of business. It's specific because I've talked about the what, sales calls. It's measurable because I've talked about how many, so 25, and it's timely because I've talked about end of business being the deadline that this has to be completed by. Now, we use our magnifying glass and use the achievable and realistic questions next to really judge whether this particular objective is actually SMART or not. So is it achievable for me to make 25 sales calls in a day? Well, maybe if I've got a team of people, but I'm worried that individually I might not be able to do that. So I adjust the achievable. It might be possible, but is it realistic that one person can achieve that? So let's say it takes me 20 minutes to make a sales call. The best I can do in an hour is 3, which takes me to 24 if I have no breaks and power through the day. That's just not realistic. So I'm probably going to have to adjust that particular objective, maybe make it 2 an hour, maximum of 16. So by close of business today, I need to make 16 sales calls. Now that is a SMART objective. In any case, folks, make sure that you don't try to tackle too much and that what you do is specific, measurable, achievable, realistic and timely, and you too can make some SMART objectives work in your business. Until next time, remember, leadership matters.